Alright, in this video, I'm going to show us how to go to the 3D warehouse and download our window model. Alright, part of getting this window model is knowing who we're getting it from, and we're going to be getting it from Mr. Han's account, which is, I think, labeled T Han. So, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a new tab. In the new tab, I'm going to type in 3D warehouse. And you notice that if you've already searched for it before, it may have already popped up underneath Sketchup for schools. We're going to go 3D warehouse Sketchup. And then we're going to select 3D warehouse. Once we're in here, we can start looking for models. And what I'm going to do right away is I'm going to type in H-A-H-N. Mr. Han's last name. Now, I'm not looking for any of these things. I'm not worried about the lawnmower or any of these other ones that are going on. But I'm looking for Mr. Han's account, and that is Tim H right down here. And in my piece, I'm not going to click on the model to download it, but I'm going to go down to here to click on his name, which will take me to his account. Once I get into all of his models, I'm going to slide down until I find the window I'm looking for. I believe it's close to the bottom. It is the curtain wall single block. And when I get there, I'm going to hit download. Once I download my model, it should open up down here. And it's downloaded to my download folder. And I'm going to go into my Sketchup tab. And right away, I'm going to insert my file. So right away, the folder icon, insert from my computer. Make sure I'm in my download folder, which I am currently. And I'm going to curtain wall block, the last thing I downloaded. Open. Insert as a component, and once again, we're going to place this off the model. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.